Welcome back to another video. This is my 2011 Chevy Cruze that I'm working on. I made a series of videos about it, but today's video is going to be about how to bleed out the coolant system. I changed out the water pump and the thermostat, and I drained out the system. You can see my reservoir cap is off, and I'm going to show y'all where the bleeder valve is, and we're going to get right into this video. But before we get into this video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So I'm going to show y'all where the bleeder valve is located. Now you can do this with a screwdriver, a large screwdriver of the Phillips, and it's this piece right here, this plastic piece. You want to screw that all the way out. I hope y'all can see. I'm gonna give y'all a good close-up. All right, this is what it looks like. Like I say, you get it with a screwdriver or a socket. So we're gonna put. All right, this is the antifreeze you're supposed to use in this car. As you can see, it's orange. This one is fully concentrated. And what I do, I buy the full concentrated and mix it myself. There's no need of me paying for 50-50 when you're paying 50% for the water and 50% for the coolant. So you save money and you actually have 2 gallons if you mix it yourself. So that's what I'm going to do. Now this is the water you want to use. It says distilled, because if you use regular water and mix this, it has the minerals and stuff all in the water, and it can corrode the inside of your engine. So make sure if you buy the full concentrated antifreeze, make sure you use the distilled water. And I'm going to pour half in this of the water and half of the antifreeze in here. All right, this is what it should look like when you get done. That's 50-50. Now I got 2 gallons instead of just that one when you buy that regular 50-50 already mixed. So make sure y'all keep that in mind. But we're gonna go ahead and pour this up in the reservoir, and I'm gonna show y'all what to do. Now, sometimes when you go to AutoZone, they're gonna give you whatever they want to give you. I always go by whatever the manual say. If the manual say use orange, that's what I use. If it say use blue, that's what I use. So I started up the car, and what you want to do is put your heater on all the way to the hot point, hot as it could get, and put your fans all the way up. That way it's going to get all the air bubbles out the heater cord and throughout the system, and just rev it up about 15 to 2,000 RPMs for a minute or two. That way to help get the air bubbles out. And once it gets the operating temperature, you want to check your fluid again. Make sure it's to the proper level. And if you have a scan tube, this would be a good idea to look at it. Right now the temperature is reading 135, where it's a ECT, which means engine coolant temperature. I appreciate y'all watching my video. Hopefully this is helpful to you.